get it. Use that imagination, don't overthink it. This is your world, and don't you forget it. Whenever you get sad, just remember why you living.
What's up, you guys? kennystuntz here, back with another video. Today we're just gonna be cruising around. Not gonna go to the stunt lot today, so we're gonna go get gas. Then we're gonna go out and fuck around in the woods. Alright, let's get in this Wawa. Oh, some Mac. What's up? Just $1. $1? Yeah. 87. 80.
How long would that last you?
It fills it up halfway. Yeah.
Which cars were like that?
What's that?
Which cars were like that?
Facts. Hell yeah. Blink. There you go. Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you. Put 13 in the bitch. 13 sounds reasonable. I wonder how much I have in this tire. Probably not even much. I'm guessing 6. 7. Yeah, 6, 7. Yeah, look at that ghetto exhaust hanger. You like that? I was riding around 6 psi. That's fucking wild, bro. Really downhill? Do want to do some knee knockers. Oh, this is sketch. Right in the fucking pothole too. Yeah, I'll start this second now. We out here. We fucking out here. Hopefully there's no cops back here. Oh! Woo-wee! Look at that stump. Damn, boy. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's fun. My shit's fogging up. Oh shit. Oh, look at that shit, bro. No way. Woo! That was a stupid idea. I just hit the front brake, bro. Yeah, no, I'll break my fucking exhaust. It feels so weird doing it that way. Oh, let's go there. Let's go there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh. We gotta turn around. We gotta fucking turn around. Whoa. Woo. What a fail. Oh shit. This is fun. Let's go over here. Fuck it. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Woo! Let's take a picture. I hate how it doesn't go in neutral, bro. Come on! Thank you! Shit. Let's get some pictures. That's nice right here like this. Just like that. Yeah, I do some weird angles. Portraits and then we're good. Oh, and there she goes. Oh, that's funny. Try to plant her again. Some very soft gravel. Alright, boys. What should I do next? Woo, pop, 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 pop. Let's go down here nice and steady. Oop, 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 oop. I know where that leads, but let's see if I can get up there. There's fucking shit in my shoe. Fuck it. Woo, perfect exit. I don't have to go up that hill. That's perfect. All right.